Hello everyone, I want to give you the welcome to the studio. I am Adriana Lingaya. In this video we are going to um, see how I make a preview video using Higgsfield's AI. So in the last video I tried to show you the all the process. Unfortunately, the video was not recorded. So here we got the shots. I want to say that Higgsfield have a lot of models. Um, Here you can see, for example, the transitions, the styles, as well that you can change the model. For example, Kling 2.6. This one is another tool that actually create audio for the video. It doesn't make only the video. It also creates some audio in case that you need it. For example, for a marketing process or anything that you would like to share with anyone else. We have a Google Veo 3.1. So um, we go back here to the history and we can see all the shots I have for that I use and that I created to make the Twilight Zone video. The way that I work with Heatfield is that I start with a screenshot. For example, in this case, I can take a screenshot of this website. I want to make a preview video for my vinyl disc that is named Fractal Nexus. You can find it on elasticStage.com. Um, so just check out the shipping. It it has the most played song, The Evil Inside, Ayahuasca, Twilight Zone, Control C, Adrenocromo, Siran, etc. So it's very nice. So here we took a screenshot and then we go to Paint. Here in Paint, oh, just 1 moment, let me open it. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, that was the last one. It's because I was working with this one. So let's do it again. I make a full screenshot of the website, and then here on Paint I paste it and then I save it as a PNG image. I already got it here. So now let me show you. That I already updated the image in here. It was this one. So this is a nice tip to be more precisely in your creations. Um, to be more precise in your creations, you can use a starter frame and then uh, work with that frame to give to the AI an idea and starting point, so the result will be more consistent and and close to what are you are trying to approach. So in this case, in the first shot I got, I write it. The vinyl disc is coming out of the package. I had here an error on package, and suddenly a DJ appears from behind to take it and play it on turntables. The result was nice. As you can see, that there is that background of the website and then the turntables, but it's not that what we expected. So I make another one and I make a correction on the prompt. This is something that you have to learn because every time that you are using an AI tool, you will see what are you missing, what you can add to be more precise to the uh, result that you are looking for. So here I correct the prompt and write it. The vinyl disc is coming out of the package inside the website. So I'm making clear that it's inside the website, and suddenly a jailbreak the background. Oh, I didn't catch that. I had another error here. But I mean the background from behind to take it and play it on turntables while the website fall apart and a music studio appear. So this one was very close to the prompt. I like it a lot because it's more close to what we're looking for. So the preview will be a 30 seconds video. So in this case, I'm using the Kling 2.5 Turbo, and then actually I use this setup. Duration 10 seconds, resolution 1080p, and it's very cheap to generate. After that, I download the video and I go to OpenShot. I use this tool to edit the video and to create a full image. So let me show you here very quick. It shows that I need to change this. Mhm. Okay, so here we have it. This is the final result. Um, you can hear it, but at this very moment we are not going to hear the music because of TikTok copyright. Um, Even that is my own music, I cannot play it for some reason, but well, I want to show you how I make it. So I use OpenShot, that is a free software. You can download it on the website. That's the first one. And then at the very moment, when we reach the end of the video, we deselect it and make a screenshot. Then we took that screenshot and paste it to Paint to create the next frame. So that will be the second starting point. From there, we go back to the platform to Higgsfield and we watch the results. In this case, the first one, another wasn't very close to what I was expecting. So I change. That's the first one. And then I wanted the camera to go over the turntables, as you can see right here. So I corrected the prompt again. The DJ does some scratch on the vinyl and then the camera shows the turntables from above. looking down how the DJ touch the mixer knobs. And as you can see, the video is doing exactly that. I love it. Thank you, Higgsfield, for making my life easier. Um, previously on this um, previously on these holidays, I bought a laptop, a big tooth, but it wasn't very good to make videos. The difference is big enough to change to this kind of tool or to this kind of service. It gives you a lot of quality, a lot of consistency. Um, it's very reliable. So then after you take the screenshot of the second shot, you go to here, you enter the first screenshot. So let me show you here. Um, is this one? And this is what I was looking for. After that, you repeat the process, you download it, and then you add it to your video editing program. And just in the last frame, you took another screenshot of just this part. Uh, okay. So and then you can choose the frame where you want to initiate the next video. For example, in this case, this here is the end of this video. I took a screenshot. Normally I make the screen bigger to get a little more resolution and repeat the process. Then I go here and using the last screenshot, in the first result I get this. I wanted something a little crazier, like a mandala going out of the screen, um, flowing from the vinyl, and this is what we get. Then I make another test, and the resolution was higher, and the result was better. It was closer. So you need to try it. It's very simple. It's amazing. The AI is super intelligent. It gets you what you want. So you can work with it. Sometimes it's a little difficult depending on the level of fantasy that you want and precision that you're looking for. But if you let the AI to create and to give you mm, the space to explore something, it's amazing. It's amazing. I, for example, never expected to create this kind of animal, extraterrestrial animal. I just write it, and the alienígena animal continue its walking through the sand, and the sky turns green with amazing clouds. and that was what happened. So it's great. I love it. So after that, you finish the whole work by adding some effects. For example, I place a layer of my name here with some shading. Um, Here is the audio. Then you just export. Just 1 second. Let me show you here. Now you can see it. Here's the audio. So this is what I was talking about. That's the last shot. My name, shading. Okay. Then you can synchronize everything again and just hit here to export your video once it's finished. And if you would like to watch the preview of the vinyl, please visit my YouTube video. This is all for today. I want to thank you, Higgsfield, for letting me using his tool to create and to explore an infinite dimension of visuals. In this case, I'm very grateful, and see you next time. Bye bye.